The six best industries to make money. The first one is the men's lust. We know that how much money the adult content websites make, the casinos, the clubs, these make just because they satisfy men's lust. But I will suggest you not to do this one. We have the five other as well because this doesn't look good as a human being, as a good human being. The second one is woman beauty. Every woman wants to look beautiful, and we know that how much money the companies which are targeting this sector are making, like the cosmetic industry, the plastic surgeries, and the beauty product industries are making the beauty creams, and all these are making, and just because the woman wants to look more beautiful. The third thing is the elders health. I would not suggest you the I will not tell you the elders health, but all the people who are ill, they want to buy health, but they cannot buy, which is not possible. Simply buying health is not possible. You have to work for it. If you are eating wrong food, you may be unhealthy and you will fall in this category after a few time. But uh, the hospital and the medicine provide them benefit, and they are rich as well. The hospitals owners are rich, the medicine companies are rich, just because the people want to buy some benefit, some health benefit. And not only the ill people, but the gym owners are also making money, the fitness trainers are also making the money. The fourth one is the children's education. I don't know about the everyone knows that how much the parents are willing to spend on their children's education, especially the Asian parents. They are willing to spend their life saving. They also can get the depth in depth for their children's education. The fifth one is the rich fear of losing money. That is where the investment bankers come. They will provide you their services. The investment bankers, the portfolio managers, the other experts come, and they will provide you services to the rich people, and they will charge the money, and they are rich as well. The last one is the broker's desire to get rich. This is, everyone knows that how much money the social media influencer who are showing their money are making. Like, they will tell you, this is my Lambo, throwing this money in the air, and this is my house, and in the end they will ask you to buy their course if you want to be like them, and people will buy because these people desire to get rich and get rich quickly. This is why the people will buy, and those social media influencers are making much more money. If you target any of these six industries, the six audience, you will be making money as well. But don't try the first one because it is not good.